Here's 20 hobbies that can replace scrolling before it steals another year of your life. Section 1. Physical hobbies. 1. Gym. Every workout builds strength, confidence, and self-respect. 2. Football keeps you active and connects you with other people. 3. Cycling. A fun way to exercise while exploring new places. 4. Running. It clears your mind and gives you a natural mood boost. 5. Boxing. Teaches discipline, focus, and mental toughness. Quick question. When was the last time you finished a workout and regretted it? Exactly. Section 2. Creative hobbies. 6. Drawing. Turns your imagination into something real. 7. Writing. Helps organize your thoughts and improve communication. 8. Photography. Makes you notice beauty most people walk past. 9. Cooking. A useful life skill that rewards you instantly. 10. Guitar. Every practice session shows visible progress. Here's the difference. Scrolling consumes. Creating produces. Section 3. Mental hobbies. 11. Reading. One book can teach what years of mistakes would cost. 12. Chess. Improves patience and decision-making. 13. Journaling. Gets clutter out of your head. 14. Meditation. Trains your focus in a distracted world. 15. Learning a language. Challenges your brain while opening new opportunities. Most people can't sit quietly for 5 minutes anymore. Can you? Section 4. Skill-building hobbies. 16. Video editing. A valuable skill in today's content-driven world. 17. Coding. Teaches problem-solving and can create career opportunities. 18. Public speaking. Builds confidence that helps in every area of life. 19. Content creation. Turns ideas into something people can learn from. 20. Graphic design. A creative skill that businesses constantly need. You don't need all 20, pick 2 or 3, and actually stick to them, and spend 20 minutes on it today. Comment the 2 hobbies you're choosing because your life won't change from watching. It changes when you start doing. Subscribe.